Hello, my name is Milind Deshmukh and my today's technical topic is access modifiers in Java. So, as we know, access modifier are the keyword in object-oriented paradigm means to provide the access of class, methods, variables, and the class body in our Java programs. So, in today's video, we will discuss about the what are the access modifier, how we can means access the class, methods, and variables or and body in our Java means our Java code in our program. So we will discuss individually in our today's video. So first of all, we will start means in object-oriented paradigm. There are four access modifiers that are the public, protected, private, and default. So default means we don't need to write the default keyword means no need to mention the default keyword in our Java program means to specify the class or method or the variable is default in our Java code, because when we do not mention or do not specify specifically the any access modifier, then it become the default automatically in our Java code. So these four keywords provide the access or means decide the accessibility of our code in our Java program. For example, when we write the public, when we create the class as a public class, so at that time what happen? The class become the accessible in our all Java program or in our all packages in the same project. So this is how the public keyword works. Or when we create the means when we create the any method as a public, so that method can be accessible in the that class, outside that class, in that means package, outside that package in the same project. So this is how means the public class is accessible everywhere in our Java program. So this is for the public class and public method too, and the public variable too. So it was about the public means public class, public method, and the public variable, and the public, which is the one of the access modifier in our Java program. And the these access specifier modifiers are the reserved keyword in Java, which have their own meaning and their own functionality. And the second one is the private. So when we create the private private when we use the private class or a private method or a private variable, at that time that keyword means that variable, that method, or that class or the means data variable are only means accessible within the same class. So we cannot access that method or the that variable outside the class. Means we will be able to access that in only same class. We can't access that variables or data variables or methods outside the class. And another one, third one is the protected. So protected is the means access modifier in the Java, which means which decide help to decide the accessibility of the code in our Java program. So by using the protected keyword, we can means we can create the variable, class, and the methods. So in that case, when we create any class as a protected by using the protected access modifier, so that the class will be accessible in the same class, means same class, and it will be accessible outside the means outside the same class means outside the same class, and it will be accessible in the another class or another package by using the inheritance. It means by in its child class. And another one is the default. So default is the means we don't need to use the default keyword explicitly. It is means when we do not use any means when we do not use the default keyword in our means to declare the class, so it considered as a by default. So the default keyword means the default data variables are accessible in the class outside the and means outside the class in same package. So it was all about the access modifiers in the Java. Thank you so much.